Gonna be showing you one of the basics of card tricks and basically using cards, which is the riffle shuffle. Okay, so I'll just I'll put it right here. Okay, so the riffle shuffle is actually one of the beginner things that you should learn, or the basic things that you should learn about cards if you're gonna get into cards. Cause it's a basic shuffle that every magician or cardist should know. Now, what is the riffle shuffle exactly? Riffle shuffle is this shuffle, okay? And you do it like this, and then you square them up, okay? So how do you do it? Okay. Now, if you might say, why did I choose the riffle shuffle? The riffle shuffle has so many tutorials on YouTube, but the problem with all these tutorials is that they most of the time they think that all the people who are coming to learn these tricks are either they used cards before, and some people, actually not some, but a majority of people, they're just new to cards. They saw a friend or something do a card and now they're interested. So I'm gonna teach you how. So first, I'm going to teach you a very detailed and efficient way to learn them. So first, I want you to do this kind of grip. You see, you have 3 fingers and these 2 fingers like this. So you see, just for now. And now you put the fingers on the top or at the bottom, or on the bottom, on whatever whatever angle you're looking at. But at the end, you've got to have it here, or the opposite way around, okay, like this, okay. But I prefer to start with the right hand. If you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, examine with both. But me, as a right-hander, I say start with this, and it's and after you put the finger, you're gonna put this finger, the pointer finger, above the cards, and you're gonna push with it downwards, but not just like this. You have to hold the thumb on this side, as you see. On the thumb, you put your finger, and then you just you push with this finger in the middle, and then you start releasing your thumb. You start scrolling your thumb upwards. See, so what's happening is that you're pushing force with this finger, pushing force inward, and then you see, I'm just raising my finger like this, but not like this, because that, you see what happens. So you're slowly raising your thumb. But to be more precise, it takes time, but you're gonna find that it could be more precise, and you're gonna be putting more single cards than bunches. Okay? Now, for the next step, after you have done this and you start leaving, right? Okay, it could continue, but then the cards would fall. So now what you gotta do is you gotta get about half of the cards, and see about, if you compare it with this, about, see, about half of the cards. And then you wanna go the same grip, but with the other hand. You're gonna go like this. You're gonna put the pointer finger in the middle. You're gonna come and hold. And you see, I do this just, to make the cards right. As you see, what I do is that I put my pinky, put it right here on both sides, and I start hitting each side together. And then you put the pinky back, and then you start shuffling them into each other. Now the last move, which is the cards, going into each other, into one pile of cards. See that for some people, this is a critical part of the shuffle, as it gives it all the the looks. It's actually one of the main looks into the card. So after you've done this, you take the cards, shove them inside each other like this. You'll put both the thumbs in the middle here, force them. Then you're gonna bend the cards as hard as you can, or it doesn't have to be as hard, but just has to curve. And then if you start releasing, you'll find out that the cards start going each other. But you have to have your thumb on the middle of the cards. So like this, you have to have your thumbs in the middle. As you see, like this. Again, fast. I'll do it this time fast. I'll do it from the side view. As you see. So you should practice like this. Practice a few times. And you know, if you miss anything, you could watch the video again. And see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.